Most architects and interior designers don't fail starting their own practice. They fail during the transition. जब सैलरी रुक जाती है but expenses नहीं रुकते हैं. Projects are very irregular and that is the time when confidence crashes. We start questioning ourselves. Hi, I am Siddhant Garg and I run my own practice. I've completed 240 plus residential and commercial projects across India. And I've worked with architects and interior designers navigating that how to shift from job to an independent practice. And it's been more than 9,000 plus designers who have been impacted till date. And after seeing this transition, एक pattern बिल्कुल clear है. What looks like freedom, it often turns into a financial pressure. That is the reality. And this is not just because of the talent. It is because that shift from job to start your own practice is just emotional, very impulsive and poorly timed. And when the timing is wrong, even best of the best designers bleed money, lack confidence. The industry only teaches how to design, but no one talks about how to run this design business, how to launch, how to grow, how to scale this design studio. And that is what I teach you in my Design Titan community. Families भी push करती हैं कि नहीं, there is security or you should go ahead, but ultimately it is your own journey which you have to run, you have to fight. No one else is there. So designers either quit too early out of frustration or they stay too long just out of fear. And both decisions create long-term damage. Yeah, and the truth is simple. A studio is not built in a day or the day you resign. It is built months before that decision which you take with the right intention. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into the 6 core rules which you need to take care when you're shifting from your job and starting your own design studio. Here's the rule number 1. Your job is income, not identity. Be clear with that. Your job gives you income. It should not give you the identity, never gives an identity. The moment your self-worth is tied to a designation or a firm name, you delay independence. Start operating mentally as a studio owner while still you are employed. Track how projects are priced. Observe client कैसे behave कर रहे हैं. Understand where the profit comes from. This shift costs nothing but creates a lot of clarity in mind, and that is the first thing which is 110% important. Here's the rule number 2. Clients first and confidence later. We think best designer है, यहाँ से graduation करी है, इतने साल हो गए, ये आता है, वो आता है. No. Before quitting, you should already be ready that who will pay you. What is your service and what price do you deserve? You will get some projects through referrals, past clients, or the niche which you serve. If inquiries exist only in your imagination, हाँ बहुत contacts है, यहाँ से आ जाएगा, वो मिल जाएगा. No, because when you start, no one is going to come. Have clarity about that. Yeah, what are you going to serve? And the rule number 3, the most important one, secure your 6 to 9 months of personal income, personal expenses, because savings are very expensive, because savings are passive. When we shift from job, इतना burden में आ जाते हैं, इतना financial pressure में आ जाते हैं, that is the time when we just take up the project because project लेना है, खर्चा निकालना है. You need to run your home. You need to give yourself some salary. Financial pressure is the fastest way to lose your authority, and that is the point where you undercharge. Yeah. Here's the rule number 4. Treat your side practice like a real studio. If you're thinking, oh, I'm a freelancer, थोड़ा बहुत पैसे आ जाते हैं. If you're working for money, stop even wasting your time for some small petty money. Treat it like a studio. Treat your early practice like a serious system. Even if you're doing it on weekends or evenings, yeah, have your fixed working hours, clear deliverables, document every process when you're working on your part-time basis as well. Because this full-time freedom will not fix it. It will only expose it. That is when you see the real world. And then you think, yeah, job hi achhi thi, at least safety thi. Yeah? Here's the rule number 5. Decide your exact service before quitting. Service क्या दोगे? Will you just do the design consultancy or only execution or management? What will you do? All you are going to give all three together. Have a clear scope, because that reduces your negotiation, ambiguity, even your expertise. Because at that time, you will take any and every kind of project. That is where you lose confidence. That is where you lose faith in this design field. Here's the rule number 6. Leave only after replacing your 40 to 60% of income. If you're waiting कि जितनी salary आ रही इतना तो मैं ऐसे ही कमा लूंगा, it is not going to happen. You're at least 40 to 60% of your salary should start coming from your work which you have already started. Yeah. Just go in the market and see what is the acceptance of the market and your acceptance towards the market. All right. Don't be reckless. Don't be just emotional. Don't get high कि बस अपना करना है, because grass is always greener on the other side, but the reality is really different. Employment funds stability. All right. But when you start your own studio, it gives you an identity. Yeah. And the mistake is treating resignation as the starting point. Absolutely not. Your preparation actually starts 3 to 4 months prior, but it depends how dedicated and committed you are. If you're thinking it's a quick rich formula, don't start. You're good in your job. But if you really want to build a legacy and not just buildings, start your own. And that is what I teach you in the Design Business Masterclass. There's 3 secrets which will blow your mind. If you really want to know that, how do you charge? What is that one biggest mistake you do? And how do you attract premium clients? Click the link in the description as well. Go to designtitan.community.com and you can register yourself, and I'll be happy to see you there. Yes? Waiting to see you in the next video, where I will tell you how to get the right clients in the right ways. Yes? If you like it, do like, share, and subscribe. Waiting to see you inside. Cheers.